Hold up! Hands up! Ito po this is a 3D video. You know, a 3D Commander Comrades. So, going to show you. This is going to your screen. Go to your screen. You see? It goes to your screen? No? Yes? Okay, that is one. You need 3D glasses. Or also. So that's right, this thing, zombies. So let's try out. Oh, it's so cool. I can almost touch you. So now I'm going to try my ballpen comrades. Oh, come on. This isn't an idea. Okay. Let's just stop over here. Wow, it's so cool. It goes out to my computer. And this one though. Wow, so cool.